The Heidelberg Catechism, Question 85. How is the kingdom of heaven shut and opened by church discipline? In this way, that according to the commandment of Christ, if any under the Christian name show themselves unsound, either in doctrine or life, and after repeated brotherly admonition, refuse to turn from their errors of evil ways, they are complained of to the church or to its proper officers, and, if they neglect to hear them also, are by them excluded from the holy sacraments and the Christian communion, and by God himself from the kingdom of Christ. And if they promise and show real amendment, they are again received as members of Christ and his church.